Bankruptcy buying home, how to rebuild your credit. The good news of having a bankruptcy record on your credit report does not mean you can't buy a home. Believe me or not, but people who have gone through bankruptcy have been able to encourage themselves to build credit by taking on debt again. But the bad news is that the debt will be closely scrutinized and may come in smaller amounts and high interest rates. This usually happens because when you experience bankruptcy you are now tagged as high-risk borrowers. But these negative thoughts, rather facts, should not dishearten those with deprived credit account from investigating their home loan options. The conscientious use of credit is the only way up from a bankruptcy filing. Bankruptcy can provide liberation to people in terrible financial straits by releasing them from the obligation to repay their debts. It's a drastic move for anyone because a bankruptcy will stay on a person's credit rating for up to 10 years, effectively acting like a warning flag to anyone considering lending that person money or a line of credit. In order to mitigate the risk of providing that person a loan, the lender will charge higher interest rates than they normally would. For instance, an auto loan that might ordinarily carry 6% interest could come with an interest rate of 8% or higher. But, as time passes and small loans and credit card balances are paid off on time, the bankruptcy filing becomes less and less significant to a lender. Establishing good credit after bankruptcy is essential. The following will help recent bankruptcy filers regain their financial strength. Pay bills on time. This is the single best thing bankruptcy filers can do to build up their credit rating. Acquire and use a secured or unsecured credit card. Just don't charge any more than you can afford to pay off each month. Read your credit report. Errors are possible, and keeping tabs on your progress will help you stay focused on the goal of rebuilding after bankruptcy. Mortgage companies would want someone with a reassurance that is on safe and responsible track. Many lenders prefer to see three things when considering loaning money to someone following a bankruptcy. First thing is a long stretch, preferably 2 years or more, of on-time bill payments. This may be hard due to the case of reliable income. Likewise, with a steady work history and a down payment, even a small one, it would not be impossible for someone just coming out of bankruptcy to secure 100% coverage on a home loan. A down payment is the second thing and a steady income coming in on third. Well, this isn't much as hard as the first one, since some lenders will be willing to provide a loan sooner than 2 years if there is evidence of responsible bill payment on a car or secured credit card plus reliable income. Just keep in mind that after experiencing bankruptcy, buying home is no longer impossible. There are many reasons a person chooses to file bankruptcy. The loss of a job, unexpected medical bills, and overwhelming credit card debt are just a few of the factors that can lead to filing bankruptcy. The mortgage lending industry has created special loan packages and terms for those who have filed bankruptcy in the past. Lenders have little to lose in approving a home loan after bankruptcy. With your home serving as collateral for the loan, the lender can feel confident in approving you for a home loan, often soon after your bankruptcy has been discharged. In summary, cash will solve this problem, for sure. However long it takes to gather that cash is how long it will take to get the house. Start thinking about how you can make money in your spare time, selling online at eBay, doing freelance work, or starting your own business. You can increase your chances by coming into the deal with a lender with as much cash as possible. The more money you can use as a down payment, the less risk for the bank. There is a level where they'll lend you the money because the loan is secured by the house and the house is worth more than the mortgage. Start rebuilding your credit today. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel.